There is another fear that is spreading inside America now. Yes, fear of public humiliation, fear of being targeted online, fear of somebody showing up at your home with a camera. Ladies and gentlemen, a viral controversy is now creating panic among Indians living in the United States. A woman who reportedly presents herself as a journalist or an activist has been visiting Indian homes and businesses, accusing people of illegal operations and visa fraud. Can you think about how disturbing this looks? Somebody arrives outside your home, cameras on, flying questions, accusations everywhere. Suddenly, your private life becomes internet content. In fact, in one recent interview, an Indian man warned her that he would take legal actions for disturbing him. The video spread rapidly online. Now, let's be very clear here. If there is illegal activity, law enforcement should handle it, right? But social media trial, that is dangerous because once a clip goes viral, facts often disappear. And many Indians in America now feel that they are being watched with suspicion simply because they are immigrants. Now, this creates a very chilling atmosphere, specifically for small business owners, consultants, visa holders, students. People start asking, can someone randomly accuse me online tomorrow? America is a country built on laws and due process. But increasingly, social media outrage is behaving like a parallel courtroom. And for immigrant communities, specifically Indians here, that fear that is becoming pretty real. Now, in our fourth segment, let's move from immigration stress to everyday survival in America. An Indian woman recently went viral after revealing that she paid about $250. For what? Just to repair a small leak in her home. And Indians everywhere immediately reacted with the same sentence. This could have been done in 500 rupees in India. Now, this is one of the biggest cultural shocks for Indians who are moving abroad now. Not groceries, not rent, labor. In America, labor is expensive, rather very expensive. A plumber can charge hundreds of dollars for a teeny tiny repair. Why? Because wages are high, insurance costs are high, and service costs are higher. That is why many Americans, they learn DIY skills. They fix their own sinks, paint their own walls, repair their own furniture because calling professionals, it can destroy your monthly budget. And this is where social media often creates confusion. People in India see dollar salaries and think that life abroad, it is automatically luxurious. But they do not see the hidden cost. Well, one plumber, one car repair, and suddenly thousands of dollars disappeared. This is the untold immigrant reality. Yes, America do offers opportunity, but it also demands constant financial discipline. And many Indians living there now openly admits that the salary may be higher, but so is the stress.